So, uh, AI comes with various facets, and while it's an umbrella term, there are various parts of it, right? And these various parts actually help us understand the consumer better, understand the consumer's journey better, and help us reach out to the consumer better. Right? So, uh, there's a lot of data flowing around. How do you harness that data? How do you use AI to make more sense out of it? How do you create better trends out of it? I think is one major part of it. Understanding the data, creating trends out of it, and creating use cases, and how can you actually implement it is, I think, the first part of it. The second part of it is, once you have the data with you, and once you have an understanding of consumer behavior, and once you have the ability to sharp shoot amongst a large set of consumers. And that is the ultimate desire of every marketer. How to customize your communication to a large group of people, but in a way which is addressable and which is personalized. So once you have this better understanding of being able to on the fly modify the communication pieces that you have to make it customized to the individual within the large set, is the beauty of what AI is going to do for us. And that's the area that we've been investing in. So whether you talk about data scientists and audience scientists who go through big data, and I'm using a lot of cliched words here, but I think it just helps summarize it. But when you have very large sets of data, analyzing it, of using the right tools for storing it and for analyzing it, once you have the ability to analyze, making sense out of it, and then using that data to customize creatives on the fly. So you are someone who is motivated to take a particular action based on a particular word or a particular design layout or a particular picture. How do I customize my communication on the fly depending on your individual behavior and the circumstance that you are in? Because every human being behaves basis some background of their behavior, personality, as well as the circumstance that they are in. How do you match that to real time? Because that is crucial, right? Understanding the consumer, his behavior is one part of it, but understanding his circumstance that he is in is real time and is immediate. How do you get these two together and deliver your communication at the right time, right place, right person, is what we are trying to do. So that's the entire piece that we are putting together. We have got today people with us, people who are like audience scientists, data scientists. We have creative people. We're using a lot of partners. We're using a lot of creative tools to help us create dynamic creatives. And all of that today is helping us deliver a product for our clients in a way that they can achieve this holy grail of personalized communication to a very large group. So we are still scratching the surface. There's a long way to go, but it's important that we start creating learning, because that's what's going to help our brands in the future, and that's exactly where we are. And we're fortunate to work with a very large variety of brands who have the ability and the desire to invest in this area, and therefore we're creating learning for them and for ourselves. And I think we are poised to be able to really lead the wave or the whole trend of trying to use AI to solve business problems.
That's right.